In today's video where we're looking at a hot house of technologies, hand-free smartphone and tablet holder, multi-use design, home office car gym, table mount, selfie stick, mould to fit, neck band, cushioned neck band, flexible hand-free adjustable, moulds to fit, neck band. Got neck band a few times. So the same rating. Extends from 12 to 20 centimeters. Maximum device size 193mm. 360 rotation. Hands-free design. Compatible with the most smartphones and tablets. Yeah. Movies on the go. Freestand design. Ideal for multitasking. Yeah, so the usual BS. I tried one of these before, so this is like the first time I've... Not much in the box there. So we've got the instructions. Safety instructions. Yeah, so we can put that to one side, we don't need them. So let's open it up and see what we've got inside. So we've got that, and some kind of base. The holder for the phone. So yeah, just two wrap packs. Put those back in the box. So let's see what we got. So I take it this goes onto that bubble thing. I probably have to screw it off first. No, I should have put that thing on, shouldn't I? Behind it first. Then I can see that breaking. Just in case I didn't show you, I might be off camera there. So it just fits on there then, and it just pushes on top. See it breaking easily, really easily, since it's all cheap plastic by the looks of it. So yeah, and there we have our neck band, and yeah, so it moves around. It's pretty big. Wow, let's have a look from the base. So yeah, talking about 190mm from top to bottom. So yeah, it's kind of big. Yeah, I can see that breaking as well at the top. Yeah, I don't think this would be very good for kids. This is something that's going to break easily. It's already squeaking. So let's see what kind of phone you can put in. So I don't maybe get my phone in there because it's oh, that's canny big. Didn't expect it to be that big. Thought it was gonna have to fit in long ways. Yeah, yeah, you're gonna have to be careful when putting your phones in. So yeah, that's yeah. I suppose you could use it for a webcam. Let's see if we can stay up. Yeah, it's staying up by itself there. Seems okay and steady. would knock the table when you got this on. And as you can get, let's put some weight on the bottom there. So yeah, seems okay, steady enough. Yeah, I think it would be better off buying a tripod than using something like this. It's not that safe, and if you're going to put like an iPhone on it, you don't want to smash a £500 phone, which would be silly. Yeah, I think it would be better for a tripod than something like this. This is something you would probably use outside, something that you can fold up and put in your bag. So yeah, if you enjoyed that video, please check back for more videos coming soon.